Hi dears, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to have a different experience. We are going to see the nature beauty and learn something about the nature. The topic of our class is getting to know plants. Now we are out of our class. So just watch around me. You can see so many variety of plants around me. Some are very small, some are big, and some are very tall. So there are different sizes in the plants. Not only that, just observe their leaves. Some have round leaves, some have triangular shape, some are very long leaves. So this is how different types of plants are there. Not only the size of the trees, we can see so many variety of leaves also in that. Some have round shaped leaves, some are very small leaves, some are very bigger leaves, and some are long in size. Now as you all know, plants have different parts. Now let us see what are the parts of a plant. Now look at this plant. It has different parts. You can see the small buds of the plant. You can see the leaves of the plant. This is called the stem of the plant, and these are the roots of the plant. We can also see so many variety of flowers. These are white colored flowers, pink colored flowers. Some are red in color and some are violet in color. So in this way we have so many colored flowers. Not only flowers, leaves also differ in their colors. You can see some have red in color and the green also differ in their color. Some are dark in color and some are light in color. So in this way, the whole plants differ in many ways. So we saw so many variety of plants around us, and it is uncountable. Now these plants can be broadly classified into 5 types according to the size of the plants. Now they are herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. The first one is known as herbs. Herbs are plants which are very small in size. They have very green and tender stems. It can be easily broken and they may not have branches. These type of plants are known as herbs. The next type of plants are known as shrubs. Shrubs are plants which are taller than us. They have green stems but they are not tender. We cannot break them and their branches are from the base. So these type of plants which have green stems and taller as us with branches from the base are known as shrubs. The next type of plants are known as trees. They are very thick and hard stem and their branches are at the top. So plants which have thick and hard stem and branches at the top are known as trees. There are plants which are also known as climbers. These plants have very weak stems. They cannot stand up, so they need a support to climb. And this type of plants are known as climbers. Like climbers, we also have plants with weak stems, but they do not need a support. They do not climb up. They just spread on the ground. So these type of plants are known as creepers. So my dear children, today we learned about different types of plants. Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Herbs are plants which are very small in size and having green and tender stem. Shrubs are plants which are little more taller, having green stem but which are not tender and they have branches at the base. And trees are very tall plants which have very hard and thick stem with branches at the top. And also we learned about climbers which have very weak stems and need a support to climb. And creepers are plants which just spread on the ground. Hope all of you understood it. And we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.